Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today is Wednesday, and the date is the 3rd of March 2021. We're learning today about new unit. It's unit 11. We're talking about new topic, which is the sea. As we discussed, my ladies, we said that oceans are smaller or bigger than seas?
Bigger.
Bigger
Bigger.
than seas. Excellent, excellent. And what covers most of Earth's surface?
Water.
Ocean.
Ocean.
Of course, ocean. It's almost 75% of Earth is covered with water and not by land. So when astronauts went to the moon up there, when they took a look back at Earth, they found that it is all in blue. They said, wow, it's all in blue. I think it's most of it is covered by water. So they decided that it's covered by 71% of Earth surface, almost 3 times the area that land covers, because the rest is only land. All right, girls. Ocean, is it fresh water or salty water?
Salt water.
Of course,
Salty.
it's salt water.
Salt
Very
water.
good. Very good. Okay, look at this map over here, the small map. People use geographic lines on maps to describe ocean locations. But ocean water knows no boundaries. Water flows freely throughout the world ocean. So they only use it on the map to locate the oceans. They will tell you this is the Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Atlantic, and Pacific also from here. So when they give names, they give it names based on the location. But do you know that the water floating all over these areas? Water can go from Pacific to Arctic to Atlantic to Indian, again to Southern and Pacific again. It can move all the area. Do you know about animals can migrate from one ocean to another?
Yes.
Like who?
Like the shark.
Okay, bigger than shark. Animals bigger
See,
than shark.
Whales. Whales.
why did I say?
Yes, exactly,
Oh,
whales, because of their huge size, so they
I
can
love
from
whales and
cold
dolphins.
water to warm water. Where can you find cold water?
In cold areas.
Okay, like where? Like Atlantic Ocean?
Antarctica.
And
Okay,
In
Antarctica,
Ocean.
excellent. The Southern Ocean, Southern Ocean.
And
Very
the
nice.
Arctic.
Mm-hmm. And the Arctic, yes, that's right. Okay, do you know that because the water is very a lot on Earth, if you could fit all Earth ocean into gallon jugs, we could fill trillions of jugs. Yes. Can you see how many zeros over here? So it looks like 343 billion. That's a huge number. Now, two things I need you to know about ocean that they are very, very important. The first one, you know that the water is salt. It is salty. And because of its saltness, we call it salinity. We call the saltness of water, it's salinity. When its salinity is too large, salinity will make the water denser. What do I mean denser? Boats can float perfectly on ocean better than lake. Why? When I ask you this question, you must tell me it's because of its salinity. salinity means how much the water is salt or the saltness of the water. We don't say it the long word saltness of water. We just call it salinity. So salinity means salt water. So salt water makes the water what? Denser. What do I mean by denser? Do you remember density?
Miss, yes, I know.
Yes.
It means it weighs a lot.
Excellent. Very good. All right.
Because
Now-
salt, you can say it's heavy.
okay. Boats, they can float on ocean because ocean will be more denser than fresh water. So they can float better than what? Than lakes and rivers.
Like when you swim, it's easier to swim in the sea or ocean because it has salty water.
Excellent, exactly. It's more easier to swim. You will flow more easier on ocean or on sea, more than fresh water on the pool. When you go on the pool, it maybe sometimes you feel it is the water is so heavy and it's not more denser.
For me, I feel the pool is easier.
Me
too.
Maybe because you
But
don't
there
like
is the
saltness, because
Me
saltness
too.
can
Yeah.
make you feel thirsty. However, the ocean is full of water. Whenever you are going to the sea, you need to be hydrated to drink more water. So when you are swimming at the beach or going out at the beach, you need more water to drink, fresh water to drink. Why? Because you cannot drink salt water, and salt makes you feel thirsty. That's why for you guys in your age, you feel it's better to swim in the pool so you don't get thirsty, but it's not easier for you to move in pool better than ocean, because moving in salt water, science tells you that the water is more denser, so anything can float easier on ocean better than fresh water. Also, ocean has water pressure. The deeper you go down deep the ocean, the more water pressure you feel. The force of water pressing against whatever it surrounds, this is the water pressure. So, if you want to visit those ocean depth, explorers must travel in an underwater vehicles called a submersible. You know what's a submersible?
Yeah, I know what
Yeah.
is it. It's like a
This
thing
is
that is like, yes, like it.
this is a submersible. Why? Because it will equal the pressure from the inside and outside. It's not going to equal exactly, but it's going to work for the pressure, because once you go deep down the ocean, you will feel the so much pressure that comes to you. Sometimes divers, they get tired from diving. Why? It's all because of the water pressure. And the deeper you go down, is it the darker it becomes or lighter?
The darker.
Excellent, exactly. It will become darker. It will become more pressure. And what about how cold or warm the water is? Deep down the ocean, do you feel it's warm or cold?
Cold.
Yes, it is cold. So submersibles provide passengers with air, light, and protection from water pressure and the cold. So, water pressure is really dangerous. Also, the coldness down there is really dangerous. So, you need some certain machines to keep you
Because-
alive. Also,
Because the water pressure could press against the submarine that they're in, and they can like die because it could maybe like break into pieces, maybe or something.
yes, So divers or explorers that they want to explore the oceans, they need more technology. Why? The more technology that they take, the more help that they can get, because it's really dark down deep and it's really high, alhamdulillah, high pressured. So what did you learn today about the ocean? What did you learn? Can you tell me?
That it has water pressure and it's salty.
Okay, thank you, Yatala.
And
Let's see someone else, please. Haifa. What about Earth?
And when
Mhm.
you go down, it gets darker and then
Excellent. Very good. It gets darker and
missing
high pressure. Excellent. Thank you, Haifa. I am so happy, Haifa, that I saw you today and you are participating with me. Really, thank you a lot. I am very happy. You cannot imagine how happy I am today. Thank you, ya Haifa. Yes, ya Juri, what do you know?
half of the earth is covered with water.
Is it half of the earth? Math teachers, come on. Juri.
71%.
Yes, thank you, Maria. Juri, what do you think? Is it half of Earth? 71%. Is it half of Earth?
No.
So I'm going to give you a chance to correct the information. Half or most or least?
Most.
Excellent. Now I'm good. Thank you, Juri. Most of Earth is covered with ocean water. That's correct, Juri. Yes, Amal, what else?
Submersibles provide passengers with air light.
Excellent. So submersibles is the help that divers need to go deep, explore water, because they need to be provided with light and good pressure, not very high pressure, and they need what to be provided from the coldness. It is really cold. And something else about this map, huh? Who remembers something about this map?
That the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean are the coldest oceans.
Very good. It is the coldest. What about the names? They gave the names based on what? They describe ocean what?
Locations.
Excellent. When I say the Indian Ocean, where is the Indian Ocean? Near to who?
India.
Exactly.
Near to India.
What about the Atlantic Ocean? Near to who?
Antarctica.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. Excellent, girls. All right, girls, that's it for today. I'm going to stop recording now. Do not leave. We did not finish. We still have 4 minutes. Okay? I'm going to just stop recording. Say bye-bye to recording.
Bye.
Bye.